In a small village nestled between the rolling hills and the vast savannah, lived a young man named Kofi. He was known for his gentle heart and unwavering optimism, despite his humble beginnings. Kofi worked as a farmer, toiling under the scorching sun to provide for his ailing mother and younger siblings. His life was simple, but his dreams were vast, like the open skies above him. Every morning, Kofi would walk past the grand mansion on the outskirts of the village, where the wealthy merchant Musa lived with his family. The mansion was surrounded by lush gardens and tall walls, a stark contrast to the modest huts that dotted the village. It was there that Kofi first saw Alma, Musa's beautiful daughter, as she played the kora, a traditional African harp, under the shade of a towering baobab tree. Alma was graceful and kind-hearted, her laughter as melodious as the music she played. She was different from the other wealthy children who often looked down upon the villagers. She had a genuine curiosity about the world beyond her privileged life and often sneaked out to explore the village and meet its people. One fateful afternoon, as Kofi was delivering fresh produce to the market, he saw Alma struggling to carry a heavy basket of mangoes. Without a second thought, he rushed to her aid, and their eyes met for the first time. Alma smiled warmly, and they exchanged polite greetings. From that day on, they often crossed paths, and a friendship blossomed between them. Kofi and Alma spent their afternoons together under the baobab tree. Alma would play her kora, and Kofi would share stories of his childhood, his dreams, and his love for the land. Despite their different worlds, they found solace and joy in each other's company. Alma's laughter became Kofi's favorite melody, and his stories filled her heart with warmth. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, Kofi gathered his courage and confessed his love for Alma. His voice trembled, but his eyes were filled with sincerity. Alma's heart raced as she listened to his heartfelt words. She knew that their love would face many challenges, but she could not deny the deep connection she felt with Kofi. Alma decided to talk to her father about Kofi. She knew it would not be easy, as her father had high expectations for her future and wanted her to marry someone of their social standing. With a trembling voice, Alma told her father about Kofi, about his kindness, his dreams, and the love that had blossomed between them. Musa was silent for a long time, his stern face betraying no emotion. Finally, he spoke, "Alma, love is a powerful force, but so is the reality of our world. If Kofi can prove his worth not through wealth but through his character and hard work, then I will consider his suit." With renewed hope, Alma shared her father's words with Kofi. Determined to prove himself, Kofi worked even harder. He introduced innovative farming techniques, which increased the yield of his crops. He organized the villagers to work together, creating a cooperative that brought prosperity to the entire community. Months passed, and Musa watched Kofi's efforts closely. He saw the positive changes in the village and the respect Kofi had earned from his fellow villagers. He also saw the genuine love and happiness between Kofi and Alma. One day, Musa invited Kofi to his mansion. With a stern but softened expression, he said, "Kofi, you have proven your worth through your actions and your heart. You have my blessing to court my daughter." Kofi and Alma were overjoyed. Their love had triumphed over societal barriers, proving that true love knows no bounds. They continued to meet under the baobab tree, their hearts intertwined like the branches above. And as they built their life together, they never forgot the lessons they had learned, that love, hard work, and perseverance could overcome any obstacle. Their story became a legend in the village, inspiring generations to believe in the power of love and the strength of the human spirit. And every time someone passed by the grand mansion or the humble huts, they were reminded of the young man and the rich daughter who dared to dream and change their world forever.